Okay, in this video, we're tackling Domain 4.4, Programming, Organizational Techniques, and Logic Concepts. These are strategies that keep code structured, readable, and logical, just like Walt's step-by-step plan in Breaking Bad. First, let's look at how programmers stay organized. Pseudocode is like writing a to-do list before chores. It's not real code, but it maps out what needs to happen. Object-oriented methods are like an apartment blueprint. One design or class can create multiple identical units, the objects. Comments and documentation are like sticky notes on your instructions. They help your future self, or another coder, understand what's going on. Okay, next we've got tools for logic and process flow. Flowcharts are like GPS directions. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Branching, if else, is like traffic light. Green means go, red means stop, yellow means slow. Looping is like a washing machine cycle that repeats until the timer is done. In code, loops repeat until a condition is met. Now for the Breaking Bad parallels. Pseudocode, that's Walt laying out a plan for Jesse before they cook. A step-by-step outline. Object-oriented methods, Walt and Jesse are different objects, but part of the same class, the partnership. Comments and documentation, Walt's chemistry notebook, later used by Hank and the DEA. Just like code comments, it explained the process for others to follow. And here's how logic concepts tie in. Flowcharts, ingredients, cooking, crystallizing, distribution. Branching, the decision, do we work for Gus or do we go independent? Looping, the endless cycle of cooking batch after batch. A while loop running as long as the demand exists. All right, so that's a wrap for Domain 4, Software Development Concepts. Let's recap what we've covered. Languages, different cooking or communication styles. Data types, the measurements we rely on, from whole numbers to decimals to true-false switches. Programming concepts, jars, washing machines, cars, tools, the process to define how programs run. Logic and organization, to-do lists, GPS directions, traffic lights, the appliances, repeating cycles. When you put it all together, programming is just like Breaking Bad universe. Structured, logical, and driven by choices that shape the outcome. Okay, so thanks for watching Domain 4. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next domain. As always, keep coding like a master chemist, minus the hazmat suits. See you in Domain 5.